Okay, if you are holding XRP, boys, there's something that I almost don't even know how to describe to you that's been happening right now to the XRP price. And it's made me so excited that I've not been in many, many years. I think it's literally been 7 years almost since I've had this much of an excitement. You might not even hear it from my voice here. It's because I think I'm like stuck a little bit on, in my head, a $1 XRP. I've been saying for such a long time that I've been waiting for a $1 XRP. That right now that it's here, and it just doesn't stop like we expected, I'm like, whoa, you know, when dreams turn to reality. Anyway, I want to show you guys something that was pretty shocking to me. But first, I want to say, man, do you guys remember this 7-year breakout that we've been talking about for a while? Well, this looks beautiful and all, right? And I said before that this is probably going to be the highest weekly close for 7 years for the XRP price. So a pretty damn crazy result. But just for fun, I want to change the chart slightly just to show you how crazy this month has been. I will first quickly show you our trades, right? Our XRP trade right now, let me quickly see if I can find it here briefly. Our XRP trade, again, $1,500 in right now and almost $30,000 worth of profit. As right now we are at $1.74, and I just made a video when the XP price was falling to 169 saying, guys, I expect things to go way crazier from here, and the price is starting to come back up right now. Up how much? Let's quickly check. Roughly 4% or so since I've made that video a while back. But so this on its own is already beautiful, right? But realize that I opened this trade really not too long ago, and take a look at the monthly XRP chart. Somebody pointed it out to me over on Twitter, and I don't even know what to tell you. This looks ridiculous. It literally looks like the most stupid chart ever. But the funniest part is, boys, I'm not joking. If the XRP price goes above or towards the $1.97 mark that we were talking about, which is the previous top here, right? If we are able to close that like today, if we're able to go up 20 cents or something like that today, we might literally have the highest close for XRP ever on the monthly perspective. And I'm kind of freaking out that most likely the next month, right, regardless of what happens, we don't even have to go for a crazy pump. If only the price from right now moves up right around, I'm going to say 15% in a month and stays above that. Or it does that tomorrow, which again, 𝗷𝗓𝗓 has done many days in a row. If it's able to move 15% tomorrow, it's actually going to be the highest close for XRP ever. All right, I made a video talking about 7-year blah, 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 blah. And you know what's the funny thing, right? The comment section is filled with people being skeptics. I don't give a crap though. This could literally be the best moment ever for XRP. And anyway, if you're looking for a platform to trade on right now, I'm trading over on Bluefin. I've left a link down below. You can use it from anywhere in the world. And if it's not working for you, maybe try it with a VPN. It should work from everywhere. So you can leverage trade and do whatever you want. I've left the link for it in the description down below though. And the more you trade, the more you can win in terms of rewards. You can even get yourself a Tesla. But there's also a team competition going on right now in which we're in about 30th place or so. Which I think you'll automatically join. If not, just look around somewhere on the Bluefin website, join our team, make sure you're in it, because we're already winning $2,100 as a team, but I want to get up there, right? I want to get it to at least the top 25 before this ends, so we need to trade a bit harder. Some of y'all must be wondering about the Bluefin trade. We opened this account together in a stream. I put $250 in the account. You want to know how much profit we're in? When did we start this account? Let's see here. We opened this account the 16th of November during a live stream, and I said, guys, I'm funding this account with $250. Let's open an XRP trade. Afterwards, we had to buy another time, because we bought $80 first, then more. Right now, the trade is $516 worth. We put that in, and it's in $1,720 worth of profit in just the span of 2 weeks. And this is why I keep telling people that tell me, oh, you can't do it. No, this is just for blah, blah, blah. No. I mean, if you just believe in something, because that's ultimately what we did here. We believed in XRP. We believed that XRP would continue on with the gains, and look at where we are today. XRP being one of the best gainers out there. Oh, behind EOS. No way. This garbage is moving as well, huh? Okay, so that is actually absolutely hilarious that is also moving. Anyway, but I try to keep telling you, I'm going to take this trade so much much freaking higher. I'm trying to get this $250 account that we opened together into at least $10,000 worth of profit. You might not trust the process, but again, we turned this $1,500 into $30,000 just now. So I would say, I would say trust the process on that. Right now on the XRP trade, we already cashed at about $9,000. Even right now, sometimes just cash out a few hundred XRP. For example, here, you can cash out 200 XRP or something like that. Why? Well, because logically, we already made so much profit on it that I don't really mind just cashing something out here and there. Again, it's almost $40,000 actually on just about $2,000 that we put in. Sometimes it's fine to take a W here and there, right? For example, our Cardano trade, if it was slightly bigger, like an XRP trade, it could have been 30 times as big. If we did that, the $2,000 that we put in, it was only 85 though, could also right now be in about $30,000, if not more, worth of profit. But the problem was I opened this XRP and this Bitcoin trade in a video and I said, hey, this is what I'm doing right now. You know, do as you please. Solana's in 550% profit. Ethereum is in $12.6 thousand worth of profit. Again, this was at minus $25,000 before. Dogecoin is in 21 plus 9, so roughly $30,000 worth of profit. I see Dogecoin is pumping back up, huh, ladies and gentlemen? Let's take a look at that, huh? So Dogecoin, as I stated before, whenever it comes back here, just keep on buying. And people laughed. They said, no, Dusty, it's going to come crashing down. I said, no, don't worry about it. Because Dogecoin also is right now in one of the craziest phases it's ever been at. I don't know why anybody would be selling Dogecoin at these prices. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is quote unquote risky. But in my opinion, this is a very calculated and very much worth the risk. Now, over the next few hours, though, it's going to be interesting to see if Dogecoin is able to close above the 43-cent mark, which is basically where we ended the last week, or the last few weeks over there, as you can see, or the last few days, I should say. Obviously, also in the next few days, I'm going to really want to see this weekly close because for a lot of cryptos, it might actually be the highest close they've ever gotten. I also don't know what Algorand's highest close has been. I'm going to assume it's been way higher though because it had a lot of time above these prices. So it's just making a run for its money, but it's still down significantly. Then again, when it comes to my XRP, when it comes to my Bitcoin, when it comes to my Doge, I'm expecting these things to run way, way, way higher from here. And I've been describing that for a while right now, that for XRP, my initial target is $6, but I'm going to take that one way, way, way higher. It's just the first target. For Bitcoin, at least I'm expecting about $120,000 per Bitcoin. This move has actually finished already. We said before I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to about 97.9 thousand, and we've actually finished that as the price went to 98.4 or something like that. On the grand scale of things, Bitcoin here has also broken out with a confirming candle, potentially on the short term might actually bounce back before continuing on, but as long as we do not fall back below 95 point something, I would still consider this to be extremely bullish looking, and on the grand scheme of things, we all know things are looking extremely, extremally, extremely nice for our main coin, which is Bitcoin, and then by that logic also for all the other coins, which mostly follow BTC. But I just wanted to bring y'all's attention that this monthly chart for XRP looks like goofy even, right? For sure already it's the craziest one we've ever seen, the craziest monthly candle, except for the 2017 run. But I'd say that this one here feels way more sustainable because it's kind of like the run that we saw back here at the start of the bull run in 2017, right? In May of 2017. Because it's going crazy right now while most alts really haven't gone for a run just quite yet. So many people are like, oh, Dusty, $1.70, this is really where XRP ends. I'm thinking, man, this is really where the crazy run begins. I'm still expecting at least a 5x from here, maybe 6, maybe 7x or so. Minimum, in my opinion. And people keep laughing. But I said this before when XP was 30 cents, whatever price it was at. I keep telling you guys, this time around, it's, in my opinion, gonna get absolutely crazy. It's gonna get crazy. And you can just stay on the sidelines or believe. And as I said before, if you believe in something, even though you may be wrong at the end of the day, at least you tried. Right now, the market is already up about 0.4 trillion since the last time I kind of took a look at this. And it ain't stopping anytime soon, baby. It might be some dips in the road, but we all know where we're headed. And I'm freaking excited, man. $1.77 per XRP was just hit. Right now, $1.74. All my coins are going crazy. I hope you guys also are just completely bamboozled with your portfolio. And if you're not, if your portfolio is not going absolutely crazy yet, give it some time, give it some patience because the run is starting. And we've been saying this for many months right now, but it's finally coming to fruition with our XRP flourishing and many of the coins yet to follow. But even XRP is not done yet. And I'm so ready for what's about to happen. But boys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you press the like button. If you're looking for more crypto videos, make sure you put the notification bell on. I talk too fast, I know it, but I'm so excited, baby.